Nanalo ang Meralco Bolts kontra sa San Miguel Beermen sa Game 1 ng Season 48 ng PBA Philippine Cup. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Point for Jumar, 5 for CJ Perez. As Banquero launches from way down.
Pinatunayan ng Meralco Bolts na kaya nilang makipagsabayan sa kupunang may pinakamagandang kartada ngayong season, ang San Miguel Beermen. Sa unang laro ng Season 48 PBA Philippine Cup Finals kagabi, binigla ng Bolts ang Beermen nang magpasiklab sila ng isang 7-0 run sa fourth quarter. Pinangunahan ng star guards na sina Chris Nusam at Chris Banquero ang asunto para sa Meralco. Sa dulo, wagi ang Bolts sa score na 93-86. Sinusam din ang nagtapos ng may pinakamaraming puntos para sa Bolts. Gumawa ang combo guard ng kabuoang 18 points, 6 rebounds at 5 assists na may kasama pang pares ng steals.
Winning game 1 is always a big help, but by no means are we happy or are we satisfied. It's just one game. I mean, you can look back at our last series against Ginebra. They won game 1 and we ended up winning the series. So it doesn't necessarily mean because we won game 1 that we won the series. There's so much more work that has to be done.
Inaasahan naman ni Meralco head coach Luigi Trillo na talagang susubukang bumawi ng Beermen sa Game 2. Kaya sa kanyang palagay, matinding depensa ang kailangang laruin ng kanyang kupunan.
You can't really stop Jumar. You can see how potent he is. Pag 1-on-1, the closer he gets it to the rim, the better. And they were in the game. You know, we got some breaks in the fourth quarter. There's still a lot to improve on. You know, you can't play Junmar's single coverage. You gotta do a lot of things, give him some things so he can think about, and then you have to think about the other guys.
Idaraos ang Game 2 ng serye sa Biyernes sa Araneta Coliseum pa rin. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.